Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification virus like tabula rasa or like that things from your OPPO A77s. So at the start, if you see something like that in your notification bar or something like that when you're trying to visit any site, just spamming pop-ups, that means you have a notification software, and we can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. So I'm gonna show you the first method. We have to open the settings, then go to the apps, tap on the app management, and now check the list. If you see something strange, the app that you have not recognized the name of it, the app that you have not installed by yourself before, just tap on the app like that and choose, oh maybe not that, and choose uninstall. Click OK and go back to the app management. In the second step, go to your web browser. In my case it's Google Chrome. Now choose the storage usage and tap on the manage space. Tap on the clear all data and click OK. After that, your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus apps, so just go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus for you. I'm always using Avast. And in this application, just click on the just click on the scan now and choose the scan type on the pop-up, and always use the deep scan. And after the scanning process, all of the unwanted softwares and viruses shall be deleted from your phone. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.